You've probably heard the terms minimalism and decluttering used interchangeably, but they're not the same thing. While both can help you create a simpler, more peaceful life, they serve very different purposes. Today, we'll break down what sets them apart, how they work together, and which one might be right for you. Grab a cup of coffee, get cozy, and let's dive in. Decluttering is about cleaning up your space. Minimalism is about changing your life. If you've ever decluttered but still felt overwhelmed, this video is for you. Let's start with decluttering. Decluttering is simply the process of removing things you no longer need, want, or use. It's like spring cleaning. You go through your home, identify what no longer serves you, and let it go. Decluttering is task-based. You can set aside a weekend, go through your closet, your kitchen, or even your digital files, and by the end of the day, you'll see visible results. But here's the thing. Decluttering alone doesn't always solve the root cause of the clutter. It's like pulling weeds without addressing why they keep growing back. Minimalism goes much deeper. It's not just about getting rid of things. It's about being intentional with what you allow into your life. Minimalism is a lifestyle, a mindset shift where you focus on what truly matters, whether that's your relationships, your health, your goals, or your peace of mind. Where decluttering clears the surface, minimalism transforms your habits. It's about asking yourself, do I really need this? Before bringing something new into your space. Over time, this mindset naturally prevents clutter from returning because you're no longer just cleaning up, you're changing the way you live. Here's a simple way to remember it. Decluttering is an event. Minimalism is a lifestyle. Decluttering is like a detox for your home. Minimalism is like adopting a long-term healthy lifestyle. Here's the good news. You don't have to choose between them. In fact, they work beautifully together. Think of decluttering as step 1, clearing out the excess and creating breathing room. Then, minimalism comes in to help you maintain that calm, clutter-free space long-term by being intentional about what you keep and bring in. If you're ready to start, here's a simple plan you can try. Remember, this isn't about owning the least amount of stuff. It's about creating space for what truly matters to you. So, decluttering and minimalism aren't enemies, they're partners. Decluttering helps you reset, while minimalism helps you sustain that sense of clarity and freedom. Start where you are. Take it one step at a time. And watch how your space and your life begin to transform. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more tips on simple, intentional living. And tell me in the comments, are you team decluttering, team minimalism, or a little bit of both?